Welcome back to Seven Discover. Today we are exploring a hidden gem nestled in the heart of nature. Dunumala Falls, a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Dunumala is a waterfalls in Sri Lanka situated 30 km east of Gampaha in Kegol district. Dunumala Falls is not only a sight to behold but also a journey to experience. You can also experience a distinct climate change as you travel from the busy urban environment to enjoying the beauty of the nature. Accessible by scenic trail that winds through dense greenery, the trek itself is as refreshing as the destination. Now here it is the star of the show. Dunumala Falls cascades gracefully from 45 feet, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power and beauty. Dunumala Waterfalls looks similar to Baker's Falls. It is also known as Uduaka Falls or Devin Panna Alla. The rush of water has a calming effect, making this an ideal spot to unwind. The beauty of Dunumala Falls isn't limited to just the waterfall. The surrounding is a sanctuary for unique plants and some colorful birdies. The calm whisper of the waterfall fills the air, blending with the song of the forest symphony of nature that soothes and restores. For the adventure lovers, Dunumala Falls offers more than just a scenic view. Visitors can enjoy a refreshing dip, go hiking, or simply have a picnic by the water. There's a quiet joy in traveling to untouched places where nature's wonders cradle the soul, calming the mind like gentle lullaby. Here are a few tips to make the most of your trip. Wear sturdy shoes for the hike and don't forget to pack out what you pack in. Dunumala Falls is truly a hidden paradise, a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds us. Standing before the waterfall, one feels the serene power of the nature, a gentle force that washes away worries and leaves a sense of calm. So, if you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, this is the place to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Serenity Discover for more and more hidden heavens.